Assalamualaikum guys, welcome to my channel Code Seekers. In today's video we will learn how to save a video from Twitter. So without any delay, let's begin. Open your Twitter app. Look for some video on your timeline. I cannot find any video right now. So here we have a video. I'll copy this video's URL from this share button. Copy link. Now close your Twitter and open your browser. Open a new tab. Browse download video from Twitter. And open this website, savefrom.net with green arrow symbol. Open this website and paste your URL here. Click on this arrow button and wait. Click on the download, but before clicking on download, be very careful because sometimes clicking on download opens a new tab on your device that contains too many ads, and clicking on those ads can affect your device. So here my video is open now. Click on these three dots appearing in the right bottom and click on download. This message shows that your video is now downloaded. Open your gallery, open download folder, and the video is here.